Today we will do 8 divided by 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. So in this kind of question, first we solve 8 divided by 4, which becomes 2 divided by 3. Multiplied by 3 is 9, so the answer is 2 over 9, which is the wrong answer. So let's solve the question again. Let's write it again. 8 divided by 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. In this kind of question, we strictly follow BODMS rule. First, we handle brackets, then division and multiplication as they appear, and after that, addition and subtraction. So first, we'll look from left to right. From left to right, the first symbol is division. So we'll do the division first, then multiplication. So this is how it works. We'll change the division to multiplication and reverse 4 by 3 to 3 by 4, then write into 3. When you multiply by 4, it comes twice, so it becomes 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3, that becomes 18. This is the right answer.